This is how to unblock somebody on Snapchat. First thing you want to do is go to the App Store, look up Snapchat, and update and install the Snapchat app. All right, once you've done that, let's go ahead and open up the app. Once you've logged in or created your account, it's going to immediately pull up your camera. We're going to swipe left. Now, let's say I want to take anybody here and I want to block a person. I'm going to hold down on their name. I'm going to go where it says Manage Friendship. And then right there it says block. And then as soon as you press block, their chat room will go away and they will not, and their stories won't pop up and whatsoever. Now let's say we want to unblock somebody. We're going to go into profile in the top left. Then from here, we're going to go to the top right to the settings icon. We're going to scroll all the way down until we get in this category called privacy controls. And we're going to go to blocked users. And here it will be a list of all the users you currently have blocked. If you'd like to unblock any of them, we're going to go ahead, press on the X next to their name. It's going to ask, do you want to unblock them? Press yes. And there you will have successfully unblocked somebody on Snapchat.